Morning guys, welcome to Monday's workout. So for your warm-up, you're going to do a Tabata, so 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, kettlebell swings and down-ups, and that's 8 sets. Okay, for today's strength, you've got part A, part B, so you'll do all of part A, which is 3 sets of 20 each leg, single leg deadlift. There'll be no rest between the legs, but then 60-second rest between each set. Part B, 10 each leg, 1 1/4 Bulgarian split squats. I wouldn't go particularly heavy on this because it's a lot of reps and you're a lot of time on attention. Workout 60 on, 60 off for 6 sets. You're going to do 16 dumbbell snatch or kettlebell snatch, whatever you've got. In the remainder of that 60 seconds, max burpee over the dumbbell. You'll do that for 6 sets. Rest 2 minutes. Record roughly how many burpee over the dumbbell you are getting. And then part B, you're going to do however many burpees over the dumbbell you're getting here. You'll do them for the first part and then AMRAP dumbbell snatch. So if you're getting an average of 10, you'll do 10 burpee over the dumbbell in the remainder of the 60 seconds, AMRAP dumbbell snatch. Enjoy.